Hello guys, my name is Fadiha Modiska. I'm from Diploma from Trisakti Institute of Tourism. Today I want to discuss about comparing comparative and superlative adjectives and adverbs. The difference between Angora and Persian cat. Shape of the face. Persian cat face is rounder than Angora cat. Angora cat's nose is longer than the Persian cat. Angora cat ears are more pointed than Persian cat. The body. Persian cat body is fatter than body, shorter than Angora cat. Angora cat's body shape is higher than the Persian cat. The fur and the tail. Persian cat fur is thicker than Angora cat fur. Persian cat's tail fur is thicker than the Angora cat tail furs. Angora cat face hair is thinner than Persian cat's face hair. Angora cat's tail is longer than the Persian cat tail. Personality and activity. Angora cat is more active than Persian cat. Angora cats are more playful than Persian cats. Persian cat is more spoiled than Angora cat. Persian cats are more lazy than Angora cats. Health and price. Persian cats get sick more easily than Angora cats. Angora cat prices are more expensive than Persian cat. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my video and see you on my next video. Bye.